Hi, good day. This is Alex from Internet Reality. In this review video, it's about crypto commission, right? So in front of me, this is a crypto commissions sales page, right? So what exactly this product about? This crypto commission, yeah? So this is the world's first crypto and Bitcoin traffic solution. In this actually is cloud app that's able to actually have this affiliates site for the crypto and Bitcoin. Inside this account, actually they have a list of affiliate network you can join for the crypto and Bitcoin. Right? Okay, so by using this list of affiliate, they can actually come up with this learn from views cryptocurrency affiliate site. So this is like affiliate site which you have a list of the cryptocurrency affiliate, which I can actually everything can be done using this app, and also it comes with the traffic solution. It's a built-in traffic solution. After I think just some simple click and a few easy steps, you can actually get this affiliate site up and running with the app banners, with these articles. There's a pretty different article for this cryptocurrency also, and affiliate links, everything, right? All the contents can be actually easily been set up using this account app. So that is what the crypto commission all about, right? So in this sales page, I think this is quite a unique product. I think we haven't seen anything like this before, right? We have seen a lot of affiliate product about make money online and how to actually set up your own things like make money on internet marketing affiliate, right? But we haven't seen anything like cryptocurrencies affiliate product, something app that can actually get you an affiliate site with all the on-demand cryptocurrency product, right? Okay, so that is all about this crypto commission, how you can make commissions, huge commission profit from this cryptocurrency. I think nowadays the cryptocurrency is quite a famous way to actually you can profit from this cryptocurrencies investment, right? Okay, it's a new investment tool in the world of financial, right? Okay, so let me quickly take you to these cryptos commissions dashboard, right? Okay, so what you'll be seeing here is when you log into cryptos commission dashboard, this is what you're going to see here on the left hand side. There's a dashboard, right? You can click on the dashboard here. Okay, right, just a second, loading, right? So you'll be seeing there's a welcome videos and also on the other thing there's a tutorial here, right? So I suggest you to go through IV video tutorial here to understand about how this whole app work. I think just follow the step here, right? Grant Grinsko is this the creator of this cloud app. Okay, this is quite a solid, already a good product, right? So in this tutorials, I think this is the first thing you should come here. You need to actually first thing you need to do is just go through the video. They will teach you how to get the API. API is something like you want to display the crypto's real-time currency, the price of the cryptocurrency, right? Okay, the exchange rate, something like the exchange rate, right? So on the top of your website, then you need to connect to this API. Just go through the video, it actually show you how to set up this API, because they think there is a free service from this cryptocurrency free service. They can actually fit the real-time pricing. So you need to connect to the API so you can have this display of the price on top of your website. So that's basically what they do. So inside this also there's these are the very famous affiliates. This is the product of the cryptocurrency product that offer the affiliate, right? So you need just to join the Coinbase or this is join the coin, and after get approved, then you can use this to actually to promote inside the website you're going to build here. So there's an integration to autoresponder, and also this is also being it's a part of the video here, how to create extra article, right? How to add articles, right? And how to create an app and how to use the upgrade. So because this is more like a blog for this affiliate site, but affiliate site it comes with some article about this extra article. Okay, there's some pre-loaded article you can straight away display on your site, but you can also learn how to create extra article. So there's an app also. App is how to put up your app banners. So there's some of the app banner you can actually edit here, right? So just go in and have a look at what is inside here, right? Okay, so pretty cool, right? Yeah. So this is what. So this is an app URL. You may put your URL. That's CoinMama. It's one of the cryptocurrency product that offer affiliate. Then you can have join the affiliate and put the affiliate link here, or you can change the banner also, everything. Okay, so this is basically the idea behind you can put define the app banners, set up the app banner, set up the affiliate link for the app banner. And the subsequent way is article. Article is there are, I think, 10 to 20 preloaded article whereby you can actually have all this article image, right? So you can click inside and have a look at the articles. So what does it look like? Okay, so this article you can see, right? Okay, so this is a pre-written article, the banner, and you need to have the article buttons. Okay, and article button URL, it could be this what we call the affiliate. If you join the affiliate, one of the affiliate list now in the tutorial, then you can put the link here. Okay, something like that. So articles, there are a couple of articles, they come together also. You can see, have a look also. I think all these are the 7 articles that come. Site setting is very straightforward. How to set up your site, look and feel all your site, gender setting, sign in, app setting, and also accept pop-up affiliates, right? So when there's you're going to exit from a site, what is affiliate? We want to put a CoinMarketCap API, right? Okay, API. So this is where you put the CoinMarketCap here, the API key here, right? And you put API key so we can have the market price or display auto responder setup is all here, right? So so this is very straightforward here, right? Okay, let me also take you through to this, and we have the traffic. We have come with you can do a social sharing, the feed traffic, and also this is what we see here, right? Okay. Okay, so this is some tutorial about feed traffic from Grant. Just go through it and we learn a lot how to get feed traffic and some upgrade here. Right? So just have a look at the sample site, how it look like the crystal. So this is learn from you site. Everything is learn from you. Basically, what you need to do is you just need to actually join the affiliate and just put in the affiliate into each article or the banner. That's it. It's always done for you actually, and just connect the auto responder. Then this is actually done from your site already, right? So pretty cool, right? So that is quite a fantastic product, right? Okay, right. So let me take you to this my review about this crypto commission. Right? So what is called crypto commission? Because you are going to monetize from crypto product. You join the affiliate or the crypto product, and you can actually make commission out of it. Right? So the pro is here: auto pirate crypto buyer traffic 30 seconds, tap into secret source of 100 million crypto buyer. This is a very famous payment market niche. You can actually tap into the cryptocurrency. Right? Okay. So I also have. Okay, Grant's Crisco is 70s upsell, and it's just launched. It's 11 a.m. EXT, right? Okay, right. So this is the world's first crypto Bitcoin traffic solution. It comes with content, articles, website, and also list of the traffic sources is also included, and recommended list of everything is there ready just for you to set up from simple setup. So $17 is early bird front end. Commission day is everything you're getting done from your fully optimized crypto affiliate site, right? So this is a pre-monetized done from your crypto site. Okay, $3 with content affiliate offer, powerful technology, and you really on automatic site in the explosive crypto niche, right? Built-in crypto targeted free traffic, cutting edge or other crypto content, effortless scaling and customization, right? So you can also take a look at this. Front end is a 70 unlimited and can unlock some of the limitation, learn from you and unlimited traffic, right? Okay, right. Okay, just some of these $17. Probably you want to take this OTO1, the unlimited with the front end, then you can actually have a full flow of this crypto affiliate site builder. Okay, so 3 steps only. Yeah. Okay, actually you go through this 3 step here, very simple step to set up, right? Okay, so here is my crypto commissions bonuses, right? I have prepared 2 very special bonuses for you for this crypto commission product, right? And more than 200 plus this bonuses mainly is how to get you more traffic to your crypto site, right? Okay. So for the first 12 hours, you're going to get access to Glenn 17 hot selling info product, right? So Glenn have launched many products almost every month, and this is a Glenn's very famous product. So you are going to get from these bonuses alone, and just this bonus bundle alone is going to have a lot of value here. It's essentially the info product work from clean close key, right? Okay, right. So second one is I have a really exclusive crypto video training. It's called cryptocurrency secret, right? So if you are new to cryptocurrency or you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, since you are also building this crypto commission affiliate site, so this is a good training. You need to actually get started to learn about cryptocurrency and how you can make huge profit from cryptocurrency. So this is a very exclusive training. You're not going to get this training outside of here, right? This is exclusive for me for this crypto commission launch. So these tools are special bonus you're going to get within 12 hours on the launch, right? Subsequently, I have more than 200 bonuses. Like I have this building training with 100 free solo ad click. At the end of the video training, going to get 100 free solo ad click, right? And we have this 5 conversion tool that get you more lead and sales, right? Okay, this is about we have this buttons, image, timer, this short message, and also YouTube video. You can actually have this conversion tool integrated to your website or email, so you can get better conversion. Smarty Builder is another e-commerce site builder. It's a cloud app, and you can actually have this from free also. 250k funnel kit, drag and drop funnel builder. You don't have to pay a single cent. If you are buying for the click funnel, you have to pay $99 per month, right? So this is free for you, and this funnel has made 250k. That's why it's called 250k funnel kit, right? So we have this exclusive affiliate training course, how to make my 10,000 per month. Is also part of you. If you sign up, click the link below this video, and you're going to get all these bonuses. 160-day follow-up email CD to make you money, and I have this 400 fill in the bank headline to boost your email open rate and also sales conversion. VidSpark video creation app for more traffic lead and sale. BotEngage trouble creation app for more traffic lead and sale. And I have this OutReachr water traffic cloud app, right? And also some iShop affiliate store builder. These are the store builder going to get out of these bonuses. 15 times your profit with the 15 free traffic source, and top 6 pay underground traffic source is also come together here, right? And we have this free training, how to make money on that without you selling anything, right? Okay, right. So we have this journal Twitter traffic app and have the journal instant traffic app also come together. And by the end, you're going to get 200 very special bonus package here. You click here what's inside here, right? Okay, so you're going to get 3,000 my personal gift to you, 3,000 email shot and 100 cubic headline, which I think is a good starting for you. You don't have to think about how to write email. You have this from me, and the email training marketing course, and more than 100 premium software and none from you. Opt-in tip manner capture page template is also inside. And I have this 80 video training courses from Jono and from Brandon also. Jono and Brandon they are like Glenn also. They are also top ready marketer here. So you are going to get 80 training courses with your previous hot selling product as part of this bonus bundle, right? So everything you need to actually pay for $17 for the front end, and with this you also going to get I suggest you to also to sign up the OTO, which is unlock all the limitation in the front end, right? So total you're going to get more than 200 bonuses. Mainly is very high quality bonuses here. Do remember yourself, there are Glenn's course keys are info product work, and you have Brandon's journals, info products, the 80 video training courses I show you in this bundle, and plus all the other traffic app, the cloud app, the video creation app, this affiliate store builder, everything is here for you just for $17. Click the link below this video and you're going to come to this review page. Just click on this orange button and you will come to this crystal commission. Just get an instant access to crystal commission for $17. You will get all this my bonuses package together, right? And I believe this is going to take you on the business of crystal commission affiliate to the next level, right? With all my bonuses, right? Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye. Yeah.